Hi everyone, Luke here. Today we are going to practice real English, simple English, the English you hear every day in real life. I will show you 5 short conversations you can use anywhere. At the cafe, at work, in an elevator, at a restaurant, and even at the gym. These conversations are easy, natural, and perfect for beginners. Listen, repeat, and try to imagine these situations in your own life. Ready? Let's start. 1. A conversation at the cafe. Let's begin with a very common situation, buying coffee. Hi, good morning. Hi, good morning. What can I get for you? Can I have a medium latte, please? Sure, a medium latte. Anything else? No, thank you. That's all. Great. Your total is $5. Here you go. Thank you. Your drink will be ready soon. Now repeat the key phrases with me. Good morning. What can I get for you? Can I have a medium latte, please? Anything else? That's all. Your drink will be ready soon. These short lines are used every day. Practice them again later today. 2. A conversation at work. Now let's move to the workplace. Simple conversations help you feel comfortable and confident. Hi, Luke. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. And you? Doing well. Are you ready for the meeting? Yes, I am. What time does it start? It starts at 10. Great. Do you need any help before the meeting? No, I'm okay. Thanks for asking. All right, see you there. Now repeat the useful phrases. How are you today? I'm good, thanks. Are you ready for the meeting? What time does it start? It starts at 10. Do you need any help? Thanks for asking. These sentences are perfect for office conversations. Use them anytime you speak with coworkers.
3. A simple conversation in the elevator. Elevator conversations are short and friendly. Let's practice one. Hi, what floor? 5, please. Sure. Thanks. No problem. How's your day going? Pretty good. And yours? Good too. Enjoy your day. You too. Repeat with me. What floor? 5, please. How's your day going? Pretty good. Enjoy your day. You too. These everyday expressions help you connect with people in small moments. 4. A conversation at a restaurant. Now let's look at a simple restaurant dialogue. Hi, welcome. Table for one? Yes, please. Right this way. Here's the menu. Thank you. Can I get you something to drink? Yes, I'll have water, please. Sure. Are you ready to order? Yes, I'll have the chicken sandwich. Great choice. Anything else? No, that's it. Thank you. Your food will be out soon. Repeat the important phrases. Table for one. Here's the menu. Can I get you something to drink? I'll have water, please. Are you ready to order? I'll have the chicken sandwich. Anything else? That's it. Thank you. These lines are extremely useful when eating out in any English-speaking country. 5. A conversation at the gym. Let's finish with a short conversation at the gym. Hi, is this machine free? Yes, it is. You can use it. Thanks. How many sets do you usually do? I do 3 sets. Great. Do you come here often? Yes, I try to come 3 times a week. Nice. Enjoy your workout. Thanks. You too. Now repeat the key phrases. Is this machine free? You can use it. How many sets do you do? I do 3 sets. Do you come here often? Enjoy your workout. You too. Gym conversations are simple and friendly. These phrases help you sound natural and confident. Now let's review all the important lines from today. Good morning. Can I have a medium latte, please? Your drink will be ready soon. Are you ready for the meeting? What time does it start? How's your day going? Enjoy your day. Can I get you something to drink? I'll have water, please. Are you ready to order? Is this machine free? You can use it. Do you come here often? Practice these phrases out loud today. Say them in the morning. Say them in the afternoon. Say them again at night. The more you repeat, the more natural they feel. Thank you for learning with me today. See you tomorrow.